Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you will like next? Or how Google Maps magically finds the fastest route? Or even how companies predict which employees might leave their job? The secret behind all of this is data science. And today I will explain it from scratch. No jargon, only real life examples you will never forget. Hi, I am Dakshari Reddy. I'm working as a HR for 8 years now and I am exploring data science. And now I want to make it simple for you too. By end of this video, you will know how exactly what data science is, how it works and how it shows up in your daily life so that you can clearly explain this to your 10-year-old as well. So data science is simply the art of finding patterns in data to make better decisions. Imagine a restaurant. The owner checks which dishes to sell the most and decides what to keep in the menu. That's a data science. Netflix studies what movies you watch and then recommend a similar one. That's a data science. And in HR, manager analyzes employee data to predict who might leave the company so that they can take action before it's too late. That's data science too. Let me show you how you are already using data science without even knowing. Netflix and YouTube recommending your next video or show. Google Maps predicting the traffic using live data. Swiggy or Zomato estimating your food delivery time. Cricket matches showing win probability 73% or 85% on screens. Hospitals predicting who urgently needs the care. HR and workplace predicting attrition, which employees are at risk of leaving, based on the factors like workload, promotion, salary, and engagement. This last one is close to my heart. As an HR professional, imagine if companies could prevent losing the top talent. That's the power of data science in HR. Okay, let us see how data science works with a simpler form. So, think of making your favorite dish. So what you will do? First, data collection. You will collect the ingredients like groceries, vessels, everything. Next, what will you do? You will clean the ingredients, which is nothing but data cleaning, like removing rotten veggies or something like that. Third, cook with the spices, which is nothing but data analysis. Now, finding the patterns. So, which pepper to put, how much salt to put, how much, whatever it is to put and all. That is the finding the patterns according to your convenience. Then adjust and taste, which is nothing but machine learning models, which is predict and improve. Put little salt according to your taste or put little michi according to your taste. And serve the dish finally, which is nothing but a decision making, like recommending movies, predicting disease, or preventing attrition by removing engagement. That's data science. The same recipe works in entertainment, healthcare, sports, and HR too. Now let's see data science in little complex mode. So data science with AI is like running a smart metro system. From collecting passengers data, cleaning it, finding rush patterns like peak time, uh, rush time and all, then building AI to predict the crowd, and finally making a real-time decisions to improve the passenger experience. In the same way, businesses use data science to make smarter, faster, and automated decisions. Let me explain you in with respect to HR terms. Attrition often feels like a surprise, right? But the truth is, data leaves you the clues. By looking at these key factors like salary, promotions, and workload, data science can learn the patterns from the past and predict the future. What is the output? An attrition risk percentage for each employee. Almost like data powered crystal ball. Instead of reacting when people resign, HR can take a early improve engagement and retain the talent before it's too late. Data science is everywhere, saving lives, growing business, retaining employees, and it's the fastest growing careers today. Are you ready? Where do you think data science can make the biggest impact? Is it healthcare, sports, or HR? Comment below and I'll reply to the best ones. And don't forget to check my next video on data science roadmap. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, subscribe AI Gen AI knowledge made effortless. Thank you.